so we're gonna go ahead and add our turmeric, and then we'll add our scent. Our scent for today is, and no need to add colors. I might need to add more, so we'll see. Alright, so we added our turmeric. I'm gonna add the scent. We're using rosemary scent for this one, rosemary essential oil. So it's not a fragrance oil, it's an essential oil. I went ahead and smacked it down because you don't want any air bubbles. And a closer look of the turmeric soap. I didn't add any rosehip this time, but it still has the same effect. So I'm going to design one of them. They're all going to have a different design. So one of them is going to have some chamomile and some rosehip. Alright, so this next one, we're going to use a spoon. And a fork. Alright guys, so these are all the herbs that I used: chamomile, rosemary, and lavender, and forget-me-not, a little bit of it. This is the final look of the turmeric. This is the one with rosemary and chamomile, and this is the forget-me-not and lavender. Okay, guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing verse of the day, and then we'll go ahead and get to cutting. And I have a new surprise today. I got my soap stamp, so I'll go ahead and stamp my soap as well, so you guys will get to see that. We'll go ahead and get to cutting. Alright guys, so that's the verse of the day for today. It says, it's from Colossians 3 verse 13, New King James Version. It says, bearing with one another and forgiving one another, if anyone has a complaint against another, even as Christ forgave you, so you also must do. May the word of God be praised. So it's cutting time. So this is my next one. It's same thing, turmeric, but a different top. Ooh, so pretty.